So another important sheet metal command is vent. To use this command, we need to have some sketch on any plane or face. So make normal to and draw a circle. Now line. As it is cleared from name, it is vent for air fans as used in power supplies of computers. So once you have completed your sketch, save and exit from sketch. Now you can use vent command. First of all, it will ask you about boundary. So this is our boundary. Then these are the options, review them by yourself. Here is the rib. So these are two ribs, select them one by one. Again scroll down and spars, so select this circle as spars. Again scroll down, and then this box is fill in boundary, so select this circle. Once all done, press OK to apply this command and review rest of the options by yourself. So now I'm pressing OK button.